Good children of primary 1, I once again welcome you to this lesson. We are still looking at time. We are still looking at telling time. Remember in our previous lesson, that was lesson 13, we looked at telling exact time. That is to say, it is 3 o'clock, it is 4 o'clock, and from that lesson we said that the long minute hand is ever facing in the 12, and the short hour hand is the one which is facing in the exact digit. Now we are going to look at something slightly different, and that's what we call telling time using a half past. Yes, we are going to tell time using a half past. A half past. Remember, when we are saying a half past, we mean that they are 30 minutes past the time. They are 30 minutes past the time. Taking you back slightly, we can understand this as each and every space you see here from 12 to 1, from 1 to 2, there are 5 minutes there. The one hour from 12 going clockwise and come back to 12, it means that 1 hour is having 60 minutes. If you try to count 5, 10, 15, that's 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. We are going to see that 1 hour is full of 60 minutes. Now we are going to look at, this one is 30 minutes from 12 to 6, it is 30 minutes. Because 1 hour is having 60 minutes. And we say that half of 1 hour is 30 minutes, that's why we bring in the word called a half. Because half means half of an hour. From here, this is a full circle containing 60 minutes. And when the long minute hand is facing 6, it means that that is half of the hour. And that's why we are bringing the word called a half past. So now we are going to look at telling time using a half past. What is our question? Our question is saying, what time is shown on the clock faces below? What time is shown on the clock faces below? We see here that the long minute hand is facing in 6. That's why we are going to say it is a half past. Reason because the long minute hand is facing in 6. But now here, the short hour hand is not facing in the exact digit. It is facing just in the middle. But what you should get to understand, you should know that we tell time using this digit slightly above this arrow. Why? Because it is a half past. Time was here when it is in the exact time, but now because it is past, that's why it has gone from this side coming down. The hour, the minute hand and the hour hand, they are moving what you call clockwise moments. Clockwise, something which is moving like the hand of an exact clock. If I give you an example, you realize that this clock is moving clockwise, going in the other direction. Here, the long minute hand is facing in 6, and that's why we are going to say it is a half past. It is a half past. Past what digit? Past 3 or past 2, because it is in between. Because it is just before this 3, it is a half past this 2. That's why we say it is a half past this, because it has not yet reached this digit 3. So we say it is a half past 2. We say it is a half past 2 o'clock. That's how we say it is a half past 2 o'clock. That's what we say. We go to the next one. The next one is saying, look at this next part B. The long minute hand is facing in 6. Why the short hour hand is facing in between 7 and 8. Because the long minute hand is facing 6, that's why we say the statement called it is a half past. It is a half past. A half past what? It is a half past. Because we are going clockwise, it is past this 7. Because now we are saying we are heading to 8. That's why we say that it is a half past 7 o'clock. Half past 7 o'clock. That's our time. It is a half past 7 o'clock. Yes, my good children, let us go to our last example, and that is part C. We are seeing here a block face, 2 dimension. The long minute hand is facing in 6. Because the long minute hand is facing in 6, it means that this is not exact time. We looked at our exact time when the long minute hand is facing in 12. But now because the long minute hand is facing in 6, that's why we say it is a half past. It is a half past. It is a half past what time? It is a half past. This short hour hand is facing in between 10 and 11. We can't say it is a half past 11. Why? Because it has not yet reached there. So that's why we say it is a half past 10. It is a half past 10 o'clock. It is a half past 10 o'clock. Half past 10 o'clock. Yes, my good children, the activity has been sent to you. Please, I want you to attempt that activity properly. You draw these circles properly with a very good handwriting, please. Thank you very much. We meet next time.